What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got quite a few things to get to in this video, so let me go ahead and jump into it. First of all, I want to say it feels really good to be back in front of the camera and making a video again. Been a little while. My lens was broken on my camera that I use to make these videos. Also, I just started a new job recently. It's actually going really well. I'm back in the body shop, in the paint shop, painting. Really enjoying that. Been honestly, just really enjoying that. So, as you can see, this project right here, it's been a long time coming. Finally painting my Miata. Plan is to have this ready to go for Miatas at the Gap this year, August 1st through the 4th. Pretty good progress already. Got the car de-trimmed, which you're going to see in just a second in this video. And then I've also got a few parts actually painted already. So the rear bumper, the mirrors, and both of the headlight covers are already painted. And this thing is going to look really good. I'm really excited. So I'm going to try and bring you guys through this process as much as possible. Like I said, this video will be the de-trimming. I'll try and cover some of the bodywork as well, making some small subtle changes. Just want to change up the look a little bit. I'm getting rid of the cut fenders, going back to stocks. Already have a stock fit up right here. Just need to get a stock for the driver's side. But other than that, I'll try and cover some of the bodywork, and then 100% definitely will be doing a full video on the painting of this car. Hopefully you're as excited about this project as I am. Let's go ahead and jump into that de-trimming footage. Alright, you guys, that is going to do it for this one. As always, thank you so much for watching. Lots more videos to come on this. Very excited to see the final outcome. If you're not already, make sure to follow the Instagram. I'm going to be posting fairly frequent, like real-time updates whenever I'm actually working on the car. I'll be posting those on my story there, maybe some main profile posts as well. So, other than that, that's going to do it. Thank you for watching. Have an awesome week. We will see you in the next one. More videos to come on this project.